back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to refresh these boho locks that I installed about a week ago. They're holding up really good, but we are gonna do some refreshing. We're gonna use some products from Kiss Colors and Care. So let me show you what we're using. So we're going to be using these Kiss Color and Care Foam Mousse Flex Styling and Hold. It says it's intensely hydrating, boosts shine, and prevents frizz. So this can be used for your natural hair, but I'm definitely going to use it for these locks today. And I have used this mousse before and it works absolute wonders. I can't wait to try it on my natural hair though. So let me know what style I should use with this mousse. Next up, we are going to be using the Braid Sheen Refresher, which I absolutely love. It hydrates and soothes, deodorizes, moisturizes, and also adds shine. I've also used this one before, absolutely love it. These products are made with organic Jamaican black castor oil. This Braid Sheen is also made with rosemary oil and peppermint oil. Next up, I'm going to be going in with the Kiss Colors and Care Scalp Fixer. It's a strengthening hair and scalp serum. It encourages growth, revitalizes your roots and scalp, and it also relieves tension, perfect for protective styling. And as you can see, I've definitely gotten some use out of this oil as well. And this one is made with aroma botanicals, rosemary, peppermint, and lavender. And last but not least, we gotta lay these edges. So we're using the Edge Fixer. This is in the fragrance-free, it's extreme hold. Absolutely love their edge fixers. They work absolutely amazing. So we're gonna top it off with this. So let's get right into it. So let me know what you think of these products in the comments section below. Have you tried any of these products? If you have, which is your favorite? If you have not tried these products, which are you most excited to try? I will link all the products in the description box, so make sure that you check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.